In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Graph View in Obsidian. Graph View gives you a bird's eye view of your notes and how they relate to each other. Instead of browsing folders or searching by keywords, you'll see your ideas as a network of connected points. This makes it easier to spot patterns, find gaps, and understand how your knowledge fits together. Start by opening your vault in Obsidian. Give it a second to load, especially if you have a lot of notes. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click the Graph View icon. That will open a visual map of your vault, with each note represented as a small dot and each link between notes shown as a line. Take a moment to review what you're seeing. Clusters of dots usually represent topics that are strongly related, because those notes link to one another more often. Lone dots with few or no lines can indicate notes that haven't been connected yet. As you scan the map, ask yourself whether certain clusters should connect, or whether a note sitting off to the side might benefit from a link to a related idea. This is where insights often appear. The map reveals relationships that aren't obvious when you're inside a single note. To dive deeper, zoom in or out to explore different parts of the graph. Use your usual zoom controls to move closer to a cluster that interests you, then pan around to follow the lines between notes. Zooming out gives you the big picture. Zooming in helps you focus on a specific set of connections. If the graph feels busy, zooming in until only a small neighborhood is visible can make individual relationships much clearer. When something catches your eye, click any node in the graph to open the connected note. The note will load in your editor, letting you read or edit it immediately. If you need to jump back to the visual, return to the graph and continue exploring. Moving between the map and the note like this is a powerful way to verify that the links you're seeing reflect the ideas you intended to capture. Finally, continue linking notes together to build a more detailed knowledge network. As you create links in your notes during everyday writing, the graph updates automatically. Connect related concepts, reference sources from summaries, and revisit isolated notes to weave them into the larger web. Over time, this simple habit turns your vault into a rich, navigable map of your thinking, making it faster to find insights and easier to grow your ideas.